Hello, it's Monday the 19th. I'm FxPlew and this is the Market Brief. Now, Jonathan Haskel has been an independent member of the MPC since 2018 and he's leaving the MPC at the end of the month. He is one of the committee's hawks, concerned that inflation is still an issue. He only stopped voting for rate hikes in March and he believes that the pause should have extended further before they cut rates. A chap called Alan Taylor will replace him. He's an academic, a lecturer at Columbia University in New York, but he has advised PIMCO and Morgan Stanley in the past as well. But where the last MPC vote was 5-4 in favour of a cut, his first vote could be crucial. Broader market expectation is for no change at the next meeting, to give a little more time to assess the effect of the rate cut last month. And don't forget, the UK posted 0.7% growth in Q1 and 0.6% growth in Q2. Meanwhile, inflation had come down to 2%, but it did tick up to 2.2% in July. Secondary inflation from services inflation and wage inflation are a concern, although wage inflation is starting to come down. Sterling rallied to 129.45 against the dollar on the idea of diverging monetary policy between the US and the UK. And over in the US, there is a growing feeling that Kamala Harris has dear old Donald on the ropes a little. Opinion polls are neck and neck, but Trump has been relatively low-key since she replaced Biden in the runnings. His public appearances have still whipped up supporters, but the more serious one-to-one interviews have exposed a slight lack of policy initiatives, leaving him open to claims that he is running a little bit scared. Powell will be hosting at Jackson Hole this week. His opening address will be, as always, scoured for clues about monetary policy, but most are coming around to the idea that the time for rate cuts is fast approaching. In the market, we kick off from around 128.95 against the dollar, 117.35 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 110.50 on the open this morning. That's it from me. Have a great week.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.